Hi guys, I welcome you all for my free digital marketing course. And you are here to learn digital marketing, and I wish you all the best and huge success in digital marketing career. In this class, you will learn what is digital marketing, career opportunities in digital marketing, future of digital marketing, and growth opportunities in digital marketing, and a number of ways to earn digital marketing, and what is freelancing, what is affiliate marketing. Everything you will get to know and this digital marketing free course. And the modules are, the first module is introduction to digital marketing, and the second module is SEO, and third module is WordPress website design, off page SEO, graphics design, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, email marketing, and the last topic is how to earn money through digital marketing and thereafter certification. So you will learn all these courses in my free digital marketing bundle course. Okay, so but if you want to proceed further, I recommend you one thing. Yes, please take one domain and hosting to practice digital marketing. So website is very important. So it's like I'm a tutor and I'm providing you free course. You need to carry your own book and pen. That book and pen is domain and hosting. Please purchase one domain and hosting before starting. It is very important. Okay, if you have any doubts, do call me on this number given below. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I'll see you soon in my coming classes. Thank you.